Hi friends, you have a great WordPress website and you are offering login system to your visitors, but you don't want to show the default login screen to your visitors because it does not looks so familiar with your website, because visitors may feel that this is something else where they are logging. So you might be willing to show a customized login screen for your visitors using your own logo and all the set of design for logging in. This video is for you if you want to use a custom login screen at your WordPress website. By default, WordPress offers this login screen, which is good, but it also shows the WordPress logo and not yours, and it simply says the website has been made with WordPress. It is something like very common, and every WordPress website has this login screen, but you don't want to show this common login screen and you want to show a customized login screen so that your visitors may feel good that they are logging to your particular website. I just visited a website. This is an example of custom login screen, which is presenting a very good professional view that this website is being logged in, and it has its own logo and all set of design as well. In this video we are going to make this screen for your WordPress website, and WordPress offers many great plugins for every requirement, and we will fulfill this requirement with a plugin. And I have a great WordPress plugin called Custom Login Page Customizer. It is by LoginPress. This custom login page customizers offer you a login screen, design login screen according to your choice. So we will change this login screen to a custom login screen using this plugin. Let us install the custom login page customizer. For this we have to go in the WordPress and simply type login, or you may type this complete set custom login page customizer, and this is the result where we got custom login page customizer plugin. It is by WP Bridge and it is compatible to the latest version of WordPress. Currently this website, this demo website, is running WordPress 5.7.2, which is the latest release of WordPress, and I demonstrated a WordPress theme in my last video using this installation. And in this installation now I will show how to add a custom login screen. For this we have to install this plugin called Custom Login Page Customizer, LoginPress by WP Bridge. Click on install now, and the plugin has been installed now. Just activate it. Now plugin has been activated. Let us find where it is. This is the LoginPress customizing the WordPress login plugin. Now we have to go in setting, customize, opt-in and all these operations for making a custom login screen. Let us go to the setting. And this screen says welcome to LoginPress. If you opt in some data about your installation, LoginPress, and you may skip this step because it is not so necessary, because it is just a email subscription option. Now this is login screen setting. We have multiple setting on this screen, and we have to put these credentials as we require. So these are the settings available for custom login screen. Let us see one by one. This is session expire time. This gives you a privilege to set a session expire time, like if you want to expire the session, if you want login screen should be disabled or should be refreshed after a certain period of time in minutes, you can set here. By default it has been set to 10 minutes, so you can put any minutes, like if you want to keep the session active for 20 or 30 minutes, you can simply put the number and it will be set as for session expiring time. Next is auto remember me. This gives a privilege to keep remember me option always checked on login page, like if you want that user can store the login credentials with their login screen, it can be done from this screen. Like we can on this custom password fields. Enable custom password fields on registration form. It is up to you. You may keep it on or off. Login order. So you can set the login order. Either you can use both username or email address, only username or only email address. By default it has been set to both username and email address. Next is lost password URL. Use WordPress default lost password URL instead of WooCommerce custom lost password URL. So you can use default lost password using this option, or you can keep it as it is. Reset default setting. So it can remove your custom settings, and if just in case you uninstall the plugin, this option gives you a privilege to keep data or remove all the settings along with the deactivating and removal of this plugin. Now these are the basic settings, and some settings are available in Pro. I will also show you what Pro options are available. So these are the pricing option, which gives you multiple options like this. You can also explore to have this paid option. However, it works fine in the free option, so we are intended to have only a custom login screen, so we can use the free plugin, that is LoginPress. Now how to set up the screen? These are the basic setting, but next we have to set up the screen. For this we have to click on this option, which will navigate you to the WordPress customizer. So just click on WordPress customizer option. And here all the settings are available. Now we can choose any logo and template or design according to our choice. So if you want to change footer, you can simply click on this lost password. So footer text color is here, so you can change the color, footer text color like this, and I am choosing another color just to show you. And hover color can be changed, text font size, enable back to, and all such settings are available for footer, back to text hover, back to text font size, and login page footer text, enable copyright note, copyright background color, and copyright text. So you can use these all function for the custom screen. Like all such settings can be changed, like just we change the color, it is changed now. And okay, so footer option is here. Now let us see other options. So you can choose the themes of login screen from here. Let us assume there are multiple premium features available, so these all are premiums in fact. So we have this option in the free option, and change the background. We can change the background like this. Okay, so these are the options available. And if you want to put your custom background image, you can simply keep your custom background image from here. Let us see, we want to change according to the theme, so I will upload an image which I am already having. Let us see, we are using this for background. Yes, so it is so simple. The background image has been changed, and now we can change the logo. So what we can do, we can simply put the logo URL here and it will be changed. For this we have to upload our logo which we want to put here, and we need to have URL of that logo, uploaded logo. So first we need to upload the logo, and now I'll go to the WordPress media for this, and I'll upload a logo. So in the media we can upload a logo, and select file. I am just simply using this available logo with me, and we can simply click on edit to get the URL, and this is the URL of uploaded logo. Simply copy URL to clipboard and use this uploaded logo URL here and click on publish. Cut it now. And we have to go back in the WordPress customizer. Okay, so we have an option to disable logo, or we can enable logo using this option. Somehow this logo is not changed. I'll check again. Logo title is WP themes, let us assume, and I'm hitting on publish. and this logo is not working. Let me check why this is. Okay, sorry, so I made a mistake. Logo URL is, you can keep the logo URL for your home page. It is just simple a link on the URL, and you can keep the home page URL or whatever page you want to keep as link here, and you have to select image from here which we just uploaded. This image we uploaded, and we can choose image. Now it has been changed. It is simple. I was making a mistake. So now we have changed the background and the logo itself, and now we have an option to customize the form as well. This is all available in the free version. Remember it is not a paid version which I have installed. And you, since we have already changed the background image and form transparency, you can enable, so form can be transparent. It is also a very great feature. If you are simply using a background that has no text, you can use this option, form transparent. And form width you can increase or decrease. It is good that you have every option, and you can increase the form option, background image, form height, so you can use the form height, and you can see this portion is moving, and all is fine. Form radius you can increase or decrease, form shadow, form padding, and all these options are available. You can use all set of facility to customize your screen. So we have all done. Now we can change this button as well. Just in case you want to change the button border or button border color and even button color, you can do this. Like I am changing the button color to another color. It can be like this. And button color has been changed. This is, I changed the hover color, so hover color has been changed, and button color can be similarly changed. Like if we want to put button like this, it is not looking good. This is a good color, so we can change it. It is a great plugin in fact, so which is having all the features for customizing the screen. Now we have changed the hover color and the button color. It is good. And now we can customize the navigation as I have already shown you. So you can change the text, lost password text, and the text decoration, so overline and underline, whatever you want to use, line through, none, and the font size, back button decoration. I have already shown you all these options. So hit on publish now. So we have completed the customization, and some features are available in the paid version only. However, we don't want to use that because we are simply having all set of information and all set of controls in fact in the free plugin itself. So now it is time to check our login screen, and this was our initial login. Let us see how it looks now. Let me log out from all the tab. And it is great that we have changed the login screen according to our choice. So I believe this is very useful plugin for you for changing the customized login screen, and you shall be using for your WordPress website enhancement and look and feel. I believe you like this video and you are already a subscriber of this channel. I am going to bring another login feature in my next video. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.